Alright, so today we're going to learn how to use Google Survey. So first you're going to go to, let me edit the screen real quick. You're going to go to your search bar and type in Google Survey Forms. Oh, it's not typing? Of course it's not. Alright, so this comes up. We're going to click on that. Let me adjust the screen. You're going to go to your Google Forms. Right now it's loading. Alright, next we're going to go here to blank to create a new one. Alright, so you're going to see this screen pop up. And you're going to title the survey whatever you want. So we're just going to title it New Survey. Alright, now that it's titled, you can have as many questions as you want. You can title your questions whatever you want. We're just going to title ours Question 1. You can also have as many options if you would like to have multiple choice. You can add a new question or as many new questions as you would like. They could be multiple choice or short answer so that your recipients can type whatever kind of short answer they may want. With your new question, you can have it be, you can also have it set up to be answered in a paragraph. Alright. Next you can send the survey to as many recipients as you want. I'll just click the first few that I sent mine to. You can also include it in the email and send it to them. After you've sent your survey, you can go check and see the responses from all of your recipients. And that is how you use Google Surveys.